Hello everyone, I am Shada Chaurao and welcome to Sada Learning Hub. Today's session we are going to learn object to typecasting in object oriented programming language Java. Parent class reference can be used to hold child class objects, but by using that reference we can't call child specific methods. For example, if you see this example, I am creating an object reference. I am creating a string object and I assign it into a object reference. This is the I am calling a method hash code. It is bounded with the object method, but I am calling length method. The length method is available in the string class, but it is an object object class object. Now, whenever you are compiling this program, it gives the compile time error. Cannot find the symbol method length. Similarly, we can use interface reference to hold the implementation class objects. For example, if for example I am creating a class like this, runA runnable r is equal to new thread. This is the I am creating an object of thread class, but I am store it into the runnable class reference. See, similarly, we can use interface reference. This is the interface reference to hold the implementation class object. This is an implementation class of runnable. I am holding implementation class object. I'm storing it into the runnable interface reference. Now I am going to discuss about typecasting syntax. This is the typecasting of objects. For example, A, B is equal to C, D. Now this is a class or interface. This is the name of the reference variable. This is the class or interface. This is the name of the reference variable or object. This is the syntax of typecasting. Now there is a two types of typecasting is there. One is the compile time checking and runtime checking. While doing the typecasting, checking is occurred. These are the two different ways to checking that typecasting. One is the compile time checking and another one is the runtime checking. Now I'm going to discuss about compile time checking. We need to follow the some rules while doing the compile time checking. Rule 1, the type of D. For example, if you see this example, if you use this example, the type of the D, the type of the D and C, the type of the D and C must have same relationship, either child to parent or parent to child or same type. Otherwise, we will get compile time error saying in convertible types. If both C and D, these are these are have must some relationship. It may be a child to parent or parent to child or same types. For example, I can show you one example here. This is an object type. I am creating a string class object. I am put it into the assign it into the object reference O. After that, I am typecasting this object O into the string buffer object. It is the valid. Why? Because there is a relation between string and the string buffer. That's why it is the valid. Now I can show you one more example here. I am creating a string class. After that, I am typecasting string object into the string buffer object. It is the invalid. Why? Because it gives the compile time error. Whenever we are compile these two lines, it gives the compile time error. Next, rule number 2. Why? Because there is no relationship between string and string buffer. That's why it gives the compile time error. Next, I'm going to discuss about rule number 2. C, C means here. This is the C. C must be either same or derived types of A. C must be either same type or derived types of A. Derived types of A. This is the A. Otherwise, we will get the compile time error saying incompatible types. Otherwise, it gives the in compile time error incompatible types like found C but required A type. If you see this example here, if you see this example here, I am creating a string class object and assign it into the object reference. That object I am converted into the string buffer object. In this time, it's a valid. Why? Because here string and string buffer is the same or derived types of same or divide types. That's why it doesn't give any compile time error. If you come to this example, I'm creating an object, I'm creating a string object, I'm store it into the object reference, but I'm converting into the string class, but it is an object reference. We are concatenating into the string object. Here it gives the compile time error. Why? Because see here string object must be either same or derived types of string buffer. That's why it gives the error. Next, I am going to discuss about runtime checking. The underlying object type of D. See, this is the D. The underlying object type of D must be either same or derived types of C. Must be same or derived types of the C. Otherwise, we will get the runtime exception saying class cast exception. It's called class cast exception. If you see this example, I'm creating an object is equal to new string. This is the string class object. I'm assigning it into the object reference wo. After that, I'm converting into the string buffer object. Now it gives the runtime exception. That is called class cast exception. If you see this example, I'm creating an object of base class. Sorry, I'm creating an object of derived class. I'm put it into the base class. It is the valid statement. Why? Because there is a relationship between the derived and the base class and the derived class. If you see this example, I am typecasting base class. I'm put it into the object reference. Why? Because it is also valid. Why? Because object is the superclass of all object is the superclass of all classes. Next, this is the invalid. These two statements are invalid. Why? Because object y is it is the reference of base 1. Here base 1 and the base 2 there is no relationship. That's why it gives the these two statements are invalid. Like this also, this is invalid, this is the valid statement and this is the invalid statement. Next, through typecasting, just we are converting the type of the object but not object itself. That is, we are performing typecasting but not object casting. We are not doing typecasting. That is the object casting. See, through typecasting, just we are converting the type of the object but not object itself. That we are performing typecasting but not the object casting. If you see this example, I'm creating a parent class. It contains the one method called method one. I am creating a one more class, that is the child. It is extending from the parent. Now in this child class also I am creating a one more method. I'm sorry, I am overriding this method one, and I am creating a one more new method, that is the method two. Here is the s- public static void main method. I'm creating a child class object. I'm calling the method one and method two. See here, I'm typecasting C into the parent object. I'm calling the method one. Now If you come to this line, it gives it is nothing but like this only. Parent p is equal to new parent 2. If you see this here, it gives the compile time error. If you are putting same these lines here, it gives the compile time error. Why? Because parent method to location class parent of this one, it gives the compile time error, cannot find the symbol. Why? Because method 2 it's not available in the parent. See here, method 2 it's not available in the parent. In the parent, only method 1 is available. That's why this statement gives the compile time error. Cannot find. Why? Because the p object is the parent object. The parent object contains it doesn't contains a method 2. There is no method called method 2. That why it gives the compile time error. It not find the symbol. It overrides and method resolutions is based on the runtime. Next, it methods hiding. Method hiding means we are easy. This is the called we are overriding here. It is the method hiding and the method resolutions is based on the different types. It is also based on the different types. For example, if you see this one, I can show you for this C is equal to new C C dot method 1. Now I am typecasting B C dot method 1. It prints B A B C dot method 1. It prints A. Why? Because this is the one case. It is the method hiding and method resolutions is based on the different types. See here, the C object we are typecast into the B. Now this is the C object. It is checking the method 1. Compiler checks is it available. Method 1 is into the B reference, B class. Here we are converting B object into the A object. The method 1 compiler checks method 1 is available in A class or not. If it is available, it executes. Otherwise, it gives the compile time error. Variable resolution is always based on the reference types only. If we are changing the variable as a static, then also we will get the same output. Now I can show one more thing here. System.out.println c dot x. At the same time we are printing variable resolution is always based on the reference types only. If we are changing variable as a static, then also we will get the same output. That is the object typecasting in the object oriented programming.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.